This is Mike Olden. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. Going to take you on an extensive walk around this 2021 89,000 mile LT Skyrise double bunk A26 with automated transmission, a very aerodynamic vehicle. Starting at the door, we have our turning signals, our block heater, our battery access, DEF access, encapsulated inside this wonderful air fairing, gray impregnated colors all through and through. Any kind of rocks flowing into it will not defame the color. Below the lower skirt, adding to the airstream of the vehicle. At the back of the cab, cab side extenders on the fairing as well as the side. At the back, 2 steps with a grab handle to get to the glad hands, our antennas, rear lamp lighting for the back, a catwalk, air release, sliding 5th wheel. Our tires are the Toyo tires, 11R 22.5. Good, fresh, deep rubber on both the passengers and driver's side. Air ride suspension. Additional 100-gallon fuel tank on the passenger side. It's starting to rain a little bit, so I'll do the exterior walk. The front is the 11R 22.5-inch Toyo front M177 steer tire. Again, the color impregnation absorbs any kind of scratches that may come at this vehicle. Good streamlined look front to back. Bendix blindside protection. Baffled underskirting on the National 2000 back cycler. Our VIN number check is 3HSDZTR6MN221908. This is an LT625 6x4, built in September of 2000. It's a 228-inch wheelbase. 40,000 on the rear, 12,350 on the front. The lamp check, the work lights, automatic headlamps, tilt and telescopic steering column, leather wrapped steering wheel, 88,523 miles, high contrast screen for daytime and nighttime viewing. Go ahead and do this to start. It's rolling up and over. Our Bendix going through the blind side, showing there's vehicles around, which of course there is. There aren't any lamps up on the dash, they're illuminated. Going through our gauge packages, first important item is 3,563 engine hours, very, very low. Coming through here, our gauge packages, my gauges, not selected, vehicle, our voltmeter, speedometer, checking for alerts. There's no alerts for the engine, ABS, or transmission, or the vehicle in total. Take a look at our learned radar alignment, dynamic radar alignment, speed limit sign and country setting for the Bendix. Our axle load, wonderful display of the payload bearing down on the rear axle. Again, a good high contrast monitor system. It is 66 degrees, 13.9 is coming through our battery system. We are in neutral. Power divider lockout, off-road sensor, hill start, our interior lamp for both the upper as well as for lower foot lighting, suspension dump, our fan speeds for the sleeper control, automatic setting, so you set it like a thermostat in your house, our 5th wheel unlock, park regeneration request, our directions for our airflow, trailer brake, tractor brake, PowerPoint, 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 lane departure on off, the heating system, cooling system for the rear mattress area, hazards, our multifunction switch, pocket storage, storage cover on the passenger side, big gulp, mammoth gulp I would imagine. Taking a peek inside the sleeper, upper sleeper berth, 42-inch lower sleeper berth. This is a fixed position, so we create a storage tray for personal items above the lower berth. Additional storage, netted storage on the driver's side. step access for the upper berth, wraparound storage. The curtains for the side windows are tucked up in the front for this time. Area for refrigerator, power drawer, workbench, deep, thick curtain between the driver's and cabin area. Sleeper lamps, accent lamps, temperature control and radio control with a power point, setting for drinks, airflow system for the rear, full width access from side to side from the interior door left and door right are safety latches, or safety security latches, and the lamps for above access and from the side. Additional lamps up underneath the sleeper berth side for added visibility on the interior, and additional illumination in the back. Right, illumination there, eh? So 1, 2, and a massive 3. So you have great visibility in your headquarters on the road. Again, this is Mike Olden. I look forward to working with you on your next truck tractor need. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. I don't know about you, but I think I'll climb up here and take a break. Make it a great day.